Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make Thirupagam, a rich and divine sweet from Tamil Nadu, traditionally offered as Prasadam to Lord Murugan. Made with gram flour, cashew powder, ghee and saffron. This melt-in-mouth treat is full of flavor and devotion. Let's get into the recipe now. In a pan, dry roast half cup of gram flour or besan for a few minutes. Then sieve it directly into a heavy bottomed cooking pan. This helps achieve a smooth texture. Now gradually add half to 3/4 cup of milk a little at a time and mix thoroughly to avoid lumps. Add 1 cup of sugar, half cup of powdered cashew nuts and a few strands of saffron. Mix everything well. Turn on the heat and cook the mixture over medium to low flame for 15 to 20 minutes, stirring continuously so it does not stick to the bottom. As the mixture starts to thicken, make sure it stays smooth and lump-free. Begin adding ghee little by little. We will need a total of half cup of ghee for this recipe. Once the mixture reaches the condensed milk-like consistency, switch off the stove and keep stirring for 2 more minutes using the retained heat. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. As it cools, it will thicken further, just like you see in the video. Our delicious Thirupagam, also known as Besan Halwa, is now ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more interesting recipes and travel vlogs. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one.